Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class, we completed the chapters. Today, in this class, I am giving that activity work for your 7th class. Activity work. What is that activity work means? Don't keep that one on activity book. Just write that sums what I am giving and send that PDF form to my mobile number. Already you are having that my mobile number, send it to that one. And also, so many students are not submitted that one, your maths CWS. So just to complete that one and submit it on 4th of January in the next year. Today we are starting that one active work about that one chapter name already well known for you, that is decimal fractions. This is chapter 4. Chapter 4. Now I am starting that one giving for you as that active work. What is it for decimal fractions? The fraction form, which is in the form of the denominator is consisting of 10, 100, 1000. The multiples of 10. The denominator is consisting of multiples of 10. The fractions are called decimal fractions. This one is called 2.35 like decimal forms. In this sum, 678.4532. This is called ones, tens, hundreds. Before the point is ones, tens, hundreds. After the point is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Like that will be there. THS will add for that ones. So this is about the decimal form. So decimal form 6784530. This is called decimal formation. This is called expansion form. So as we know that one, additions and subtractions, conversions. In this chapter we are learning about this all the topics. Just to see that one on the board. Here we are having some decimal numbers 8.1, 9.4, 6.05 and 12. What we have to do these two means these 4 numbers we have to arrange in like fractions, like decimals. As like fractions we know, like that only like decimals. What are called like fractions? The denominators consisting of the same denominator is called like fractions. Here also we have to make it as same number of positions, same in number. Like fractions means denominator must be same. Here like decimals. Like decimals means how to write. First count that one disease. Point after 1, point after 1. Point after 2, that means hundreds place is there. Make it each and everything with the h. 8.1. We want 2 places 0, 9.4, 0, 6.05, comma, last one is 12.00. This is called making of like fraction. 2, 2, 2, 2. This is called like decimals. Making of like decimals means after the point each and everything we have to make it the same. If the places are not there, we have to keep that one zeros. This will give that one like decimals. And the next one is here converting into decimal form. How to convert to decimal form? First write it on 90. 1 0 is there in the denominator. After 1 0, keep the point. This is about decimal point. First write this 243. After that there is 1, 2. 2 zeros are there. How many? 2 zeros are there. So keep it after 2 places. Back to front. 1, 2. Now the answer will become as 2.43. The next one is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. We have to change it to that one decimal form. How to change the decimal form means we have to make it division. 5 with 3. Find table 3 is not possible, but we have to do one facility is there for us, that is keeping of 0 1 point will give us 1 0. 6 5s are 30. So 0. This is 9 1 by 5. Changing into missing fraction. 9 5s are 45 plus 1. 46 5 5. Find table 46. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 5, 1, 1, put a point, 0, 0, 2 times, answer is 9.2. Like that we have to change. This is about decimal form. Next one is changing of additions. Additions and subtractions, how to do in decimal form. So addition, how to do that addition means arrangement 6.9, next number point down point, right to right side, 8, 4, 3, 2, point down point, 6, 7, 6, 7, 4, here only 8 is given, afterwards you have to keep the point, point, 8, 0, this is the arrangement, remaining each and every place keep your zeros, addition, 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 24, 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 3, 2, 4. Point down point you have to arrange. But the answer is 43.41. 43.41. Like that we can subtraction. Always you have to start subtraction from after number. 11.26 minus point down point 6054. 0, 5, 10, 6, 0, 2, 11 minus 6, 5. The answer for this sum is 5.206. This is about addition and subtraction. Already you know that one, just I am remembering for you. Next one is multiplication, afterwards division. Okay, doing of multiplication. First forgot about the point and do the multiplication. 2.4 into 60. 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. 16 2s are 32. 38. After completion of multiplication, keep the point after one digit. Back to front one digit. Here this sum 5.64 into 2.32. So we have here we have to multiply that one through normal multiplication. First forget about the point and do the multiplication. 4 to is 8, 6 to is 12, 5 to is 10 plus 1 11, 3 4 is 12, 6 is 18 plus 1 19, 5 is 15 plus 1 16. Next one is 2 is 4, 4 is 8, 3 is 6 is 12, 5 is 10, 11. 8, 2, 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 2. After how many digits you have to keep the point means. Now multiplication is over. 1, 2, 3, 4. First number is having 2 digits, second number is having 2 digits. Total 4. After 4 digits you have to keep the point. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer for that sum is 2.9328. Like that we have to do that one multiplication. First forget about point and do the multiplication. Next one is division process. So division means first of all we have to convert. Multiplication means easily we can do, but in division we have to take little much care. What is the care means? We have to take the reciprocal and we have to do compulsory. This is the process for division. Already we know that one 9, but don't do like that. To some will get easily, but not all. So we have to do that once. 2079 by this point will changes as 100. Point will changes as 1 and 2 digits are 100 divided by 9 by 1. Like that we have right. Now reciprocal we have to take 2079 by 100 into 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. So cancellation now 9 table 1 time, 9 2s are 18, 27 is 3 times 1 time. That is 231 by 100. Changing into decimal form now. First write 231, down 2 digits are there, after 2 digits keep the point. 2 zeros are there afterwards. Just we have to take reciprocal, after taking reciprocal, cancellation, and we have to do that once. This is the sum here we are having. 1.242 divided by 1242 by 1000. Where what this 1000 give means? Point will change as 1, 2 is 0, 4 is 0, 2 is 0. Divided by 18 by point will change as 1. Afterwards one digit so 0. 1242 by 1000 into, you don't want to take reciprocal, so taking of reciprocal 10 by 18. First 0 0 cancel. Afterwards this 1242 and 18 cancellation using that one. Which table? I am taking the 3 table. 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, and 12 is 4 times. 6 1 4 1 4. Again cancellation. I am taking 6 table directly cancellation. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 54 is 9 times, which is 69 by 100. 69 by 100. First write out 69. Now we have to do the decimal form. How many digits are there here? 2 zeros. After 2 digits we have to keep the point. Back to front. 1 2. Keep the dot and put the 0. 0.69. 0.69. Like this we have to do that one: decimals, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition means point on point, number by number we have to arrange. Subtraction also point by point, number by number. When it is after that given from after number we have to write start, and then we have to do that subtraction. The rule of addition is number by number, point by point. Subtraction rule is from after number we have to write first, afterwards number by number, point by point we have to write. And the next one is multiplication. First forget about the point and do the normal multiplication. Afterwards keep the decimal point back to front. Division formation is changing of fraction form to decimal form to fraction, and then taking off reciprocal. Finally after cancellation answer making it to decimal again. Decimal to fraction, reciprocal, cancellations, answer will get that one. Again we have to go to the decimal fraction. This is about fractions chapter. These sums, I will mention that sums, those sums you have to write on one paper and take one pic and send to my mobile number. That is about the activity for that ones. We will see that one in the next class about we will see that about question numbers, remaining chapter numbers. That is, we will start with the chapter number 12 next class. What is that means here? That is algebra. We will start with algebra. Thank you for today. So that's one we have to write. Which sums you have to write, what you have to write, I will send that one for you. You have to write in activity book. No need to keep that one activity book in your CW backside or HW backside, or write it on one paper and send it that once. Enough. So thank you for today.